If you're playing Grounded 2 on PC and there's no sound, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix audio issues and get your sound back in no time. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then click on Hardware and Sound, and then Sound. Here, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just click on the one you're using, and then hit Set Default. Click OK, and test the game again. Solution 2. Still no sound? Right-click your audio device from the list and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab and make sure the volume isn't all the way down or muted. If it is, bring it up to a reasonable level and press OK. Solution 3. Next, go to the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, try setting it to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. Either one should work. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Now switch to the Spatial Sound tab. Make sure it's set to Off. Click Apply, then OK again. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it up and expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on your audio device, usually your speakers or headphones, and choose Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. Let it run and install any updates it finds. Solution 6. If that didn't help, go back and this time click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver from the list and hit Next. Once it installs, restart your PC to apply the changes. After restarting, launch Grounded 2 again. Your sound should now be working perfectly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!